Good morning, Summer Hour. Mickey Stanfield, local school technology coordinator here. Had a question about how to get the IPTV to work. So you should have internet icon here on your desktop with the icon of whatever your default internet browser is. Mine is Opera, so mine's a red O. If I double click it, that should bring me to IPTV to launch. If I don't have this, here's how you get it. So let me go ahead and delete this one. To get this, we're going to go click on the folder here up in the taskbar. Your taskbar may be at the bottom. Here's all your recent files. We're not going to mess with those. We're going to come down here. We're going to go to shared drive. Summer Hour, S-U-M, enter. S-T-A for staff, enter. There's IPTV. IPT, actually IP is enough to get to it. Hit enter. And I'm in the IPTV folder. All right, now we have all these launch pads, and somebody has made a bunch of copies. I'm going to delete these copies. All we need is this original one. And all you're going to do is drag it onto your desktop. And you see it says copy to desktop. So let go. Close the window. And now I have the Summer Hour IPTV launcher. Now when I click one of these, it should launch in VLC Media Player. All right, it's the first time you do it, it's going to ask. Shouldn't ask after that. So open it in VLC. And mine's taking a second, but there we go. And that is it. You now are able to see announcements. Quick reminder for those of you who are new or who are still having trouble. You must be connected with the Ethernet cable. You must be wired in. Okay? You've got to be wired in to get the signal to run this. It does not run over our wireless. Other than that, if you have any questions, you can reach out to Mr. Robertson in the Media Center, Mr. De Leon, or myself, Mr. Stanfield, and we'll be able to help you with it. Thanks.